Hey, this is Dave Hooke with Keller Williams of Central PA and the Dave Hooke team out of South Central Pennsylvania. This is a business building video blog for real estate agents, teams, and businesses looking to share information and grow their business. On today's video blog, we're going to answer the question, what is technology doing to our industry and what are we going to do about it? Stick around to find out. All right, on today's video blog, we're going to answer the question, what is technology doing to our industry and what are we going to do about it? Technology has changed our industry a lot since I got into the business 18 years ago, and certainly since my dad and grandfather were in the business since the 1940s and 50s. And I have a suspicion it's going to change a lot more in the next 5, 10, and 20 years. In order to discern how technology is going to continue to change our industry, it might be helpful to look at other industries in which the same type of technology has already had an impact. And so whether we're looking at the entertainment industry, the retail industry, or insurance, big insurance, when we look at a lot of the Fortune 500 companies or companies that still exist in those industries, what we're going to find is that those industries are all still thriving. However, businesses in those industries that didn't change as technology entered those industries are not here anymore. In the entertainment industry, that might be Netflix or Blockbuster to Netflix. And there's example after example in retail as well when we think of Amazon and the many, many businesses that aren't here anymore because of that. And what we found over and over again is that when technology enters in the 2000s, we find that it comes along with big data or technology that can accumulate data in that industry and artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can refine that big data and then spit out insights and information that can save consumers, and us, the real estate agents in this case, a lot of time and a lot of money. And what happens in those industries is that the businesses that can learn to utilize technology to automate the administrative tasks or the things that can be automated and allow the human component to spend more time in the advisory part of that industry, those businesses that are able to change their model like that are the ones that tend to thrive. And so in real estate, my hope is that we can all adapt to big data and artificial intelligence by learning what portions of the real estate experience and transaction we can leverage technology to automate and perhaps do an even better job than the way that we were able to do it ourselves in the past. And utilize the extra time freed up because we're not spending time on those administrative tasks to spend more time voice to voice, belly to belly, and on the telephone, talking to clients and advising them on what still and always will be one of the largest investments they'll ever make in their lifetime. So, in the future, according to other businesses and other industries, it's my belief that as technology, big data, and artificial intelligence enters real estate, as long as we can adapt our model, spend more time in the human advisory component, and learn to automate a lot of the other components, we'll still be here 5, 10, 20 years from now and thriving in the same way we are today. If you have any questions or pushback, I'm sure many people will, on this perspective or any information I shared here, I'd love to hear from you at the information below. And we do a business building workshop, a mastermind of agents and teams all over the mid-state every month up here in Enola. And if you're interested in attending that, of learning what's working and not working in other people's businesses so you can apply it to your own and get further faster, reach out at the information below. I'd love to reach out and invite you and hope to see you there soon. Thanks so much and take care.